we are going to put ChatGPT to use to creating a teaching structure for the topics that we've identified in the previous task. So this was what we did previously. We used ChatGPT to create topics that we're going to teach. Now, I want ChatGPT to help guide my teaching of this topic. Okay, so to do that, we know that ChatGPT listens to whatever instruction that we put in this text box and submit, and it can give us good feedback, good response based on what we put in this text box. So this was the query that I gave to it. This was the message I put in this text box. I said, create a teaching delivery structure for 3 class period based on what is in week one, and it did a marvelous job of breaking down the reading comprehension, which is week one, into 3 classes. So it tells us focus on this in week one, in class one, focus on this in the next class, and finally focus on this part when you're in your third class. And finally, it gave us a suggestion. So the AI is smart enough to not just tell us what to do, but give us suggestions as to things that we should be thinking about. It says throughout the 3 classes, it's important to provide students with plenty of opportunities to practice their reading comprehension skill and receive feedback on their progress. So that's very amazing that the AI can even give us suggestion. Now, let's say we are not cool with this result that it gave to us. Let's say we don't like the way it broke down into 3 classes. We want something more creative, something better. We can tell it to regenerate the response by clicking that button, regenerate response. And it's going to take some time to think and give us another feedback. Like, this is really cool. So in this second time out, is even doing a better job of breaking the class into key things that we should be focusing on. So tells us that, okay, so the first thing about your class, you should do some introduction. Second thing, you should focus on the main lesson. Then the third thing, you should focus on some homework. You can give them some homework. So this is class one. It did it followed the same pattern in class two, it followed the same pattern in class three. So you see that it's even giving us ideas for homework that we could give the kids to even make them better at understanding the concept of reading comprehension. This is really amazing. So all you have to do is write a good query on your message box and click submit. If you're not cool with the query, you can always tell it to regenerate a response for you.